Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can help you create content faster and go viral. These tools can help with videos, images, presentations, and ideas for your marketing. Let's get started. Number 5, Poppy AI. Poppy AI is a tool that helps you organize ideas and create content faster. You can collect links, videos, notes, and files in one place and turn them into new content. It's very useful if you want to plan posts, study viral content, or build marketing ideas. Many creators use it to research trends and find inspiration for their next videos or posts. Number 4, Gamma AI. Gamma AI helps you create presentations, documents, and web pages using AI. Instead of spending hours designing slides, you just write a short idea and the AI builds the presentation for you. It automatically adds text, images, and layout. This is perfect for marketing presentations, product ideas, or quick content for clients. Number 3, Freepik AI. Freepik is already known for graphics, but now it also has powerful AI tools. You can generate images, edit photos, remove backgrounds, and create designs with AI. This makes it very useful for social media posts, thumbnails, ads, and marketing visuals. If you create content online, this tool can save you a lot of time. Number 2, Higgsfield. Higgsfield is an AI tool focused on creating videos. It can help you generate short videos that look professional and engaging. This is great for social media platforms where short videos perform very well. If you want to create viral style content faster, tools like this can help a lot. Number 1, Reka. Reka is a powerful AI model that can understand images, text, and videos. You can use it to analyze content, generate ideas, and create new material. It's useful for people who work in marketing, research, or content creation. Tools like this help you work faster and discover new ideas for viral content. And those were 5 AI tools that can help you create better marketing content and grow faster online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.